Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have learned about relation. Now in this lecture we will learn about topic function. I am Piyush Mathur, third year student of NIT Rourkela. Let's have an overview what is in this video. So firstly we will learn about what is a function, then domain and range of function, then what are the different types of function which include like even odd function, periodic function, onto and into function, and methods to find onto and into function and inverse function. So what is a function? Any relation R from non-empty set A to non-empty set B is said to be function if every element of set A is related to elements of set B uniquely. It is represented as F such that set A is related to set B. The domain, codomain and range is same as we have defined in relations topic, that is set A will be domain, set B will be codomain, and range is defined as the set of all the elements of set B which are related to elements of set A. Now if we are given with a graph and we have to check that the graph or the curve is function or not, so what method we have to apply is we draw a line parallel to y-axis in its domain. If it cuts curve at only one point, then the graph is function, otherwise not. This example, here it is this curve. When we draw line parallel to y-axis, it cuts the curve only at one point, so this will be function. Taking this as example, when we draw a line parallel to y-axis, it cuts curve at 2 points, so this will not be a function. Now if we have to find number of functions, that is set A has P elements, set B has Q elements, then number of function in F will be P to the power Q. Let's have an example. If NA is 3 and NB is 4, then the number of functions will be 3 to the power 4. Now moving on to types of function. Firstly we will discuss even function. A function fx is said to be even if f of minus x is equals to fx, that is there is no change in the function if we replace x by minus x. Example, when fx is mod x, if we replace x by minus x, then it will be mod of minus x, that is also mod x, so we get f of minus x is equals to f of x, so here fx is an even function. Now what is an odd function? A function fx is said to be odd if f of minus x is minus times of fx, that is if we replace x by minus x, then a minus sign comes out as a whole. Taking example, when fx is equals to x cube, replacing x by minus x, we get minus x whole cube, that is minus x cube. But fx was x cube, so we get fx as negative of f of minus x, so fx is odd function. What are these are some properties of odd and even function, that is if we add or subtract even functions, that is the addition or subtraction of two even functions will result in even function. The addition or subtraction of two odd functions will result in odd function. The addition of odd and even doesn't exist. The product of even and even will result in even. Odd and odd will also result in even, but the product of odd and even will result in odd. Now differentiation of even we will get as odd function, and differentiation of even function we will get even function. Now proving this for even function, that is f of minus x is equals to f of x. Now differentiating both sides, that is f dash of minus x multiplied by minus 1 is equals to f dash x, that is f of f dash minus x is equals to minus times of f dash x. So we get f dash x as odd function. Now periodic function. What is a periodic function? Any function is said to be periodic if there exists a least positive number t such that f of x plus t is equals to fx. That is, the function repeats after an interval of t. So t will be known as period of function. Let's have an example, that is fx is equals to sin x. Now adding x with 2 pi, that is f of x plus 2 pi is equals to sin of x plus 2 pi. We will get again sin x. So t will be 2 pi, as sin x repeats its curve after every 2 pi interval. So t will be its period and sin x will be known as periodic function. In fact, sine, cos, tan, these all are periodic function because they repeat their curve after an interval. Let's have some questions on periodic function. That is fx is equals to sine of 3x plus 4. As sine x has period of 2 pi, but here it is 3x plus 4. Plus 4 doesn't have any effect, but 3 is in product of x. So its period will be 2 pi by 3. That is 2 pi is its period and dividing by 3. That is this constant which is in product with x. Now fx is mod of sine 3x plus 4, as mod of sine x has in a period of pi, so mod of sine 3x plus 4 will have a period of pi by 3. Sine 2x, as sine x has period of 2 pi, so sine of 2x will have period of 2 pi by 2, that is pi. Now mod of cos 3x, as mod cos x has period of pi, so mod of cos 3x will be periodic with period pi by 3. Now it is fractional part of 3x, as fractional part of x has a period of 1, so fractional part of 3x will be periodic with period 1 by 3. Now some topics are left in this video. We will cover in the next lecture. These topics will be 1-1 and many-one function, method to find 1-1 function, onto and into function, and inverse function. These all the topics will be covered in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.